Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my DEWALT 20V max angle grinder tool. We used to have a corded DEWALT grinder, but with quick projects it got to be very inconvenient to have to keep hauling the extension cord and tripping over cords when using the tool. So we decided to upgrade to this cordless grinder and we are really loving it so far. The brushless motor technology gives it maximum runtime as well as durability and requires no brush changes. It also comes with a kickback brake, which will quickly stop the wheel when a pinch, stall, or bind up happens, so it will shut off the grinder. If this is your first time buying a DEWALT tool, because this is just the tool only, you will want to make sure you have the batteries and the charger on hand so you have everything you need to get the project done. You'll probably also want to stock up on the grinding or the cutting wheels to make sure you have everything you need for your project. So if you are looking for a high-quality battery-operated angle grinder from a reputable brand that is easy to use, you will definitely want to look into this one.